You're new to skincare, you have many kind of similar serums, creams, and you don't know which one goes first. I have over here 4 serums that they are kind of similar. Very often people asking me, Jen, which serum should I use first? Like, which one goes first, which one goes after? Vitamin C, retinol, hyaluronic, peptide, or glycolic, or whatever serum you have. And answer, guys, is super simple. Whichever is the most liquid. You want to start with the most liquid product because it absorbs the fastest. So you start with the most watery, sort of like, for example, I have right here vitamin C booster. It's like just a water. You see, it's even over here going like that. So you will go whichever serum you have, doesn't matter if it's the name retinol, vitamin C, blah blah blah. You want to go this with the most watery, then least watery, kind of thick, and the thickness, and oil always goes at the end. Simple. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the red button, subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Bye.